Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to another mini clean with me series. Enjoy.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No.
So guys, these are some of the things that I bought over the week to use in my cleaning today. Yeah, these are some of them. Some of them are new. I don't usually use them, but I've added them today, like that Magni bathroom cleaner, the pink one, and the Harpic bathroom cleaner. I usually use the soap, the powder soap, but I've added the two and I feel they smell so nice, especially the Harpic one. Yeah, so that's something new that I've added. I got this tissue. Yeah, that's the Harpic. The Harpic, by the way, it is very nice. It smells so nice. I usually use this tissue, so it's not something new that I've added. And I also bought those scoring pads for washing utensils. I bought this carpet. It's a carpet shampoo and also for upholsteries that I feel smells nice. I have never used it before, but I think it will serve the purpose. Yeah, they say you use the vacuum, but I don't have it, so I'll just use what I have. I also got the Omo, which I usually use because they say it is gentle on the hands, so yeah, I just took it. That's something that I use oftenly. Yeah guys, so those are the things that I use, and let's continue cleaning.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, cause you're desperate? Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison? What's your pleasure? Oh, my city, she never sleeps. My city, she never weeps. My city, she keeps me alive. Give it up for my city, oh, oh. Give it up for my city, oh, oh. Give it up for my city, oh, 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 oh. Give it up.
guys, at this time I also decided to make some githeri as I was cleaning on the go so that I can eat before I finish the rest of the cleaning.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop.
Guys, because I don't have a vacuum cleaner, I just sprinkled the shampoo on the carpet and brushed it again with the brush. Yeah.
We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people.